Okay, so hello everyone and welcome to this video, which is gonna be a little bit instructional. So someone asked me how to install Heli-X in the free version. So I found out that I no longer have the installer for Heli-X version 10. The 11 is the latest one, but I did find an old version of Heli-X 9, which should be able to install and default itself as the free version because I would have to input my license on it. So I think that it would be a good test. So without further ado, so basically the first thing that we need to do is to go to the webpage of Heli-X and download it. So for that, let's type in Heli-X simulator. Okay, so in here Heli-X simulator will take us to heli-x.info, where you can go to the main page of Heli-X and download the version from there. So in there you will have the latest version of Heli-X version 11. But again, for the purpose of this example, I'm going to actually download the version 9. So basically, let's assume that we clicked on and download from here, and it downloaded the file, and then you go to the place where the file is downloaded and you double click on it, which is basically the same thing that I did here, but instead of downloading it, I'm using an old version so that I can go through the registration process, well, through the free demo process. So, okay, program files, Heli-X 9, I accept, Heli-X 9, desktop shortcut, yes, that's fine, and install. Okay, finish. And now we should be able to find Heli-X 9 on our desktop. So here's Heli-X 9. Let's try it out. And, because it doesn't have any license or anything, I think that I don't remember if 11 asks you for a language. I think it does. So in here you select your language. So let's select English. And there you go. So this is a demo version of Heli-X 9. So basically, it prompts you to basically wait until, it's kind of like a wait screen. So you actually have to wait. This is one of the annoyances that you have to do. But, well, I don't know. I probably need to redo my controller setup, which I forgot to use it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to quickly go for my radio. And now that I have my radio, I think that I actually have to restart Heli-X so that it picks up on my radio because I've just plugged it in. So it'll go through that waiting screen. But I think that I should be able to use it now. Now, again, I don't know if I need to redo the whole thing of the whole setup of the radio. Let's see. And of course, the demo version has full functionality. The only exception is that this nagging screen will appear every so often. I think it's random, or I don't know if it's like a set number of minutes. Yes, the radio needs to be configured. So, center position. So first need to calibrate the radio. So everything is on the center position now. Everything to maximum and minimum. So moving the sticks to make sure that everything is moved, and get everything back to center. Next. Then center. Then maximal positive so that it detects which channel it is. So that's maximum collective. Then back to center. Next. Then cyclic roll to the right. So cyclic roll to the right. And then center. And then maximum cyclic pitch forward. And then center. Next. Rudder stick maximum left. Rudder left. Next. Okay. Well, cyclic Nick, it didn't. X rotation, I assume. Let's see. No. That didn't work. So I didn't do the right thing. So, okay. So collective, that is correct. Cyclic roll, that's correct. Rudder, that's correct. So cyclic Nick is the only one that's not correct. So should be, okay, there you go, y-axis. Okay, I think it should work now. Okay, so it works now. So I'm able to fly the heli. Of course, doesn't fly very well. You know, this is version 9. This is not tuned at all. But at least, well, I mean, it installed and it works. Kind of. Okay, so I guess that was it for today, just to, you know, install. And as you can see, it has the demo version here. It only lets you select a few. It only will let you select these Dietersorf airplane, well, airplane and helicopter field, flying field. And I think it also only allows you to select this low 600. Oh, it actually, a Phantom, oh, that's a drone. But that's about the only thing. Oh, okay, it also lets you, oh, nice. Flybar and flybarless. Okay, nice. So I could actually try to fly. Oh, nice. Flybar helicopter. A nice scale flybar helicopter. Okay, so it works. So it has limited functionality as far as selection of airports and of models, but you know, it has a full experience. I mean, you can do all that you want to do to tune your helicopter, to learn the basics. You know, you can learn how to hover on all orientations. So it really helps you there. So you can practice on hovering on all your orientations, even inverted. And you know, you can practice in this sim all you want. Again, the only thing that that is a problem with this is that you have a limited selection, and the screen to remind you to buy it will pop eventually after a few minutes. So it'll, you know, break any momentum you had training. So you're halfway through training, and it'll break that momentum because it gets you back to the screen, to the, you know, screen to buy it. But it's a minor nuisance. I mean, it's good to know if you want to buy it or not, because it gives you the full experience. I would definitely buy it. You know, I've bought it since a long time, and I've been very happy with it. So I would for sure buy it without an issue. But if you want to just try it out, make sure that it works with your particular computer, with your particular hardware. Make sure that you're happy with it, that you have no issues. Then you can use this version to try it out. So I guess that's it for today. So, whoops, crash. So I guess that's it for today. So thank you very much. Thanks for watching. I hope that this helps. Let me know in the comments if you like this type of content. You know, a little bit more instruction. If you have any questions, comments, I sure read all of them and leave them, and I will try to answer all of them. So thank you very much, and have a nice day.